Now, I think there's an intriguing prospects too now on understanding, I'll call them silent signals. And so I've seen one company that has done this where it monitors your typing on a keyboard over
Mm,
time. And so over time is your ability to type accurately on that keyboard, or the pace, the rate that you type changes over time. It
mm,
might be an indicator of, a mental condition of Parkinson's disease. Might
mm,
be. But it's that type of thing that nobody really thinks about. It's like, what else can we learn from the retina of your back of your eye, or a technology that listening to you and I talking here and be like, hey, I've been listening to RJ for about 3 months now, and I've noticed his speech pattern is changing. Well,
right.
what does that mean? Or does it detect a note of depression overall in my conversations? Powerful technologies that are in the background that can provide meaningful information. You do get into privacy issues of, who's listening to this and who's using this information. I don't want my employer, having, awareness of that. Hey, I was really tired the last 5 days, so my productivity wasn't that great. What does that mean for me? So, there are privacy issues that you have to think through, and how to use this technology. But yeah, it's things that, how do you apply this technology such that it's in the background, learning, understanding? That's probably more machine learning type of technology. But then that interface and use of that data and communication and that information is where you get into the large language models and its ability to look at that information and share it.
Yeah, that's true. We did a proposal for our CMP in Canada about watching inmates in like prison cells that like for suicide, for indications of suicide. And I had a good demo, and they said, "Well, we don't think your technology is viable." But I had a demo of it like where we could monitor them and we could detect signals of depression using LLMs because you there's a lot of non-verbal signals and verbal signals that you can say that hey, this inmate looks suicidal. We've been monitoring him for 5 or 6 days, and this is what his normal state is, and this is his bad state. So just like you can, especially now with LLM vision, and when you can like to your point, like you can show it a turtle, you can show it an inmate. You say, is this person suicidal? Can we help them?